Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the coaching industry is expected to grow by 15% in 2024? Pretty exciting, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the best business growth hacks for coaches in 2024. So if you're a coach looking to thrive in this competitive market, you're in the right place. First things first, let's chat about some common challenges coaches face when they're trying to grow their businesses. It's not always a walk in the park. Gaining clients, standing out in the market, and managing finances effectively can be quite the juggling act. But don't worry, we've got some great strategies to help you out. One big area to focus on is leveraging social media. Social media is a powerhouse for reaching new clients and building your brand. Think about it. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are where people spend a ton of their time. By creating engaging content and interacting with your audience, you can build a strong presence and attract more clients. Next up, creating a strong personal brand is a game changer. Your brand is what sets you apart from the crowd. It's how people perceive you and your coaching services. Spend some time defining what makes you unique, what your core values are, and how you want to be seen in the market. Once you've got that down, make sure it's reflected in everything you do, from your website to your social media posts. Networking is another crucial element. Getting out there and meeting people, both online and offline, can open up so many doors. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients or collaborators. The more you network, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. All right, now it's story time. Let me tell you about a coach who put these growth hacks into action and saw amazing results. This coach, let's call her Sarah, was struggling to get her business off the ground. She decided to amp up her social media game, redefined her personal brand, and started networking like a pro. Within a few months, she saw a significant increase in her client base and revenue. Sarah's story is proof that with the right strategies, you can achieve incredible growth. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap of the key growth hacks we discussed today. Leveraging social media, creating a strong personal brand, and networking effectively are all powerful strategies to boost your coaching business in 2024. Implementing these hacks could be the game changer you've been looking for. Before we go, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips. Share your thoughts on the growth hacks we talked about in the comments, and don't forget to check out another video for more business insights. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you thrive as a coach in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.